Alright, good morning guys. It is now day 2 of our little fishing trip we got here. We just woke up about 20 minutes ago and we're just getting the stuff ready. And we made it out to the garage. We're about to get out the door in a moment here. But I wanted to film the intro before we get outside. Though we're going to try and use this camera as much as we can before we go today. Best we go probably sometime around 2 or 3. But until then, I'm going to keep using this camera. I'll see you guys out in the water in a minute.
Oh my god.
Alright, good morning guys. We made it outside, got our rods outside, and it is a beautiful, clear, sunny day. It's cold, but it is beautiful out. Like, look at the sun back there. I'm standing in the way. My fault. There's so much sun back there. Oh, it's gonna be such a nice day for fishing, but look at the water. It's even as flat as a mirror. Can't wait to get out there and catch some fish. So I'm gonna get all set up. We're gonna start catching some fish, guys. So I'll be back with you guys in a minute. Alright guys, so I thought I might as well give you guys a little talk on what we're throwing this morning. So, we got our Calcutta Conquest 200 on a poison Adrena, fast moving and heavy bait rod. Throwing a Best Pro Shops XPS little glide bait. Honestly, for the price I got it for, it's actually pretty good. Personally, I would recommend it. I can walk, this thing is so good. Alright guys, well we gotta pack up already because we gotta go over to the island already. You'd think we'd have a little bit more time to fish, but guess not, so I will see you guys probably when we get over there and we get back to fishing because we have a bunch of stuff to do. So, I'll be back. Alright guys, we set up a little drop shot with a little robo worm in the morning dew color. I'm just gonna drop it down and see what it looks like to begin with. Ooh. That looks yummy for a fish. Hopefully the fish likes that. Yeah, I wouldn't see why not. What the hell? I'm not used to casting this. Casted that and just went completely the wrong way. There we go. That's more the ideal direction. Not really sure how to work this thing, but we're gonna make an attempt. All I know is it's supposed to warm up pretty fast over the next few hours, so that's gonna be really nice. Once the wind dies down, it's actually like warm. I feel like you're probably supposed to be using straight floral for this. But you know what? Doing now. Oh man, it's nice in the sun. Probably bring it over a rock. Or rocks, plural. See, I know this color is good for like the Great Lakes. I don't know though, like up north. Maybe. I mean, I wouldn't see why not. Most colors are pretty universal. Or at least relatively universal. All I know is using those Calcuttas is gonna suck because it's so cold. I wish I had gloves for my casting hand. Like my normal casting gloves. But I thought, you know what, we're not gonna need them, we can take those out. Oh, no. All we need is them. Unfortunately, they're in no many kilometers away. 400, 500? Very long way away. What are my statistical chances of casting to a bass or pike or something? Anything that'll bite. I love to catch a fish on this just to see how it feels. So I actually don't know how it feels. I've never done this. That gust is freezing. Oh, those northern winds, oof. Not nice. Oof, that's chilly. Even with like thick pants, it's still cold. I can feel it on the back of my legs. It is freezing. Maybe after this cast, we'll switch it up. Try something else. It felt different. And I know there's rocks all right there. Anyways, we're gonna switch up baits. See what we can do with the glide, since glide has been the most successful this trip by far. So we'll be back, guys. Alright guys, we're now back and we're gonna throw the Mega Bass 110 jerkbait on a Calcutta Conquest 100. And this is currently on a medium heavy, what is this? A Shimano Zodius bait casting rod. Which this is more, probably my highest end jerkbait combo that I have with me, minus my Mega Bass Levante setup. But yeah, this one we're gonna get out there and start throwing in a minute here. I just gotta help my dad with the dock, and I'll be back with you guys in a little while. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Guys, we're bringing in the dock. Slowly but surely. It's coming from over there all the way over there. So I'll be back with you guys in a little while. We're gonna get it hooked up and then we can get back to some fishing. So bear with me here. Alright, boys and girls. We're back inside. Just checking out each of the rooms. Got the dock in. Lickety split. Just walking around making sure everything's okay. We gotta take everything outside and put it all out on deck. I think for being even inside, it is still cold. It's all hell in here. Hey guys. It is cold. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna get moving this stuff and I'll be back with you guys in a little while. Alright guys, we're back at it. Battery's got 90%. And we are going to get started. We have finished everything. It's all done. I like how you can just bomb that thing though. Just work it back really slow. Oh, that one was definitely a rock. There's a lot of rocks right in there. So it was most probably just me banging it off a rock. But forgetting rocks exist. It happens. Sometimes you're like fishing, you get so focused up, you forget rocks. You're like, wait a minute, I'm forgetting something. Yeah, forgetting a rock. Okay, maybe not this way. This to go. I don't know. It's gonna be kind of hard to fish this way. So I don't know if I'm jumping or not. It might be. But I can't really feel it. I don't know. Either way, we're gonna move to a new spot. We're gonna walk out back and see if we can find something out there. So I'll be back, guys. Damn, that glide bait looks good. Sit down here before we switch up spots again. Guys, we're back. Being watched by the osprey. Oh, we're gonna fish the Glidebaits. What? What do you want, osprey? That is not a real fish, by the way. So I wouldn't be going and attacking that. If I were you, I'd steer clear of the fish of doom. I will say it is cold out. It is cold in the wind. Oh man, I'm expecting this thing to just get plowed by a pike at basically any given moment. We'll switch up baits after this cast. I'd really like to catch a fish on the drop shot. There are little fish all over here, wow. Check that out. Even the dinkers like the Glidebaits. I'm just more afraid of how these hooks are going to be. I can't lie. I'm kind of nervous about the hooks. Normally these bass push-up hooks, their baits are really good and everything about them is good, but their hooks are just so bad. We're going to switch up baits, guys. Alright guys, we're back with now the drop shot. I'm going to flick it out here and see what we can find. Maybe a bass, maybe nothing, maybe some panfish. Panfish would be cool. I'd love to catch a panfish. Some bluegills, oof. I'd love to catch a good bluegill right now. can't deny that roboworm looks so good. Had this pack for so long now. Finally using it. Absolutely love it. So good. I haven't bottom fished in so long. I'm bottom fishing today. God, I haven't bottom fished in forever. I don't even think I did all last summer. Just bottom fished. I wonder if there's anything out here on the bottom anyways. I'm hopeful, but I'm also doubtful at the same time. Yeah, there's a little micros in the hole right there. What the heck? Oh, a little close for all that. I want to be that close. I don't know. Interesting little worm though, I will admit that. I don't know, I don't think anybody's here right now, unfortunately. Darn. Okay, we're gonna keep working our way down. We got no time to waste. So I'll see you guys in a little bit. Hey guys, so that's the end of this episode. I'll see you guys on the next episode. I'm gonna be posting that right here. That'll be the link for it right there. If you guys enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to comment, like, subscribe, support the channel, and I will see you guys all in the next episode in this probably 7 to 8 part series here. So I will see you all in the next video. See ya.